In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trending aesthetic pictures using Chatgpt. This process is straightforward and enjoyable, and by the end of it, you'll have a unique image that stands out on any platform. Let's get started. First, we'll open a web browser and navigate to Google. Simply type Google in your address bar and hit enter. Once there, in the Google search box, type the word ChatGPT and press enter. This should bring up a list of search results related to ChatGPT. Among these, look for the official ChatGPT website link, which is usually one of the top results. Go ahead and click on it, which will take you to the ChatGPT homepage. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll want to familiarize yourself with its interface. Look around, and you'll notice a menu where you can interact with different features. For our purposes today, we're interested in the upload function. Find and click on the plus sign button, which allows you to upload a photo. This button is usually located in a visible spot on the website to ensure easy accessibility. You can now select the photo you want to transform into an aesthetic masterpiece. Think about the kind of vibe you're going for. Perhaps something vintage, mystical, or vibrant. Once you've selected your photo, it's time to create a prompt. This is where your creativity really comes into play. In the text box provided, type a prompt that captures the essence you want your final picture to have. Maybe it's transform this into a surreal dreamscape, or give this a retro 80s video game feel. The possibilities are endless. After crafting your prompt, go ahead and click the Submit button. This will kick off the magic process where ChatGPT analyzes your input and photo, working its AI-enhanced algorithms to create something truly unique. Remember, the more descriptive and imaginative your prompt, the more distinct and interesting your result will be. Once submitted, give ChatGPT a moment to work its creative magic. You'll soon see your image transform right before your eyes, becoming a beautifully aesthetic picture that captures the trendiness you were aiming for. Now, all that's left is to download your newly created image and share it wherever you choose, be it social media, a personal portfolio, or even as a unique art piece to gift your friends. And there you have it. Now you can turn ordinary photos into extraordinary art using ChatGPT, all in a few simple steps. Get creative, experiment with different photos and prompts, and have fun with the endless possibilities. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and look forward to seeing all the amazing images you'll create. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy creating.